Welcome back, Smart Savers. Today, we're going to arm you with the knowledge and strategies you need to protect yourself from the cunning tricks banks often use to take more of your hard-earned money. Whether it's hidden fees, misleading interest rates, or complex financial products, we've got the tips you need to stay one step ahead. So let's dive in and take control of our financial futures together. Banks play a crucial role in our financial lives, offering services that range from simple savings accounts to complex investment products. However, these institutions sometimes engage in practices that can be detrimental to the average consumer. Hidden fees, misleading interest rates, and predatory lending are just a few tactics used to maximize their profits at your expense. But don't worry, today, we'll show you how to recognize these tricks and protect yourself. Hidden fees can silently erode your savings over time. To protect yourself, you need to be vigilant and proactive. 1. Read the fine print. Always read the terms and conditions of any financial product you're considering. Look specifically for information on fees. If something is unclear, don't hesitate to ask your bank for clarification. They are legally obligated to disclose all fees, but it's often up to you to ask the right questions. 2. Maintain minimum balances. Some accounts waive maintenance fees if you maintain a minimum balance. If this is feasible for you, it's a simple way to avoid monthly fees. However, be sure to know exactly what that minimum balance is and whether it fluctuates. 3. Use in-network ATMs. Avoid ATM fees by using your bank's ATMs or those within their network. Most banks provide a list of fee-free ATMs on their website or mobile app. Planning your cash withdrawals can save you from these unnecessary charges. 4. Opt out of overdraft protection. Overdraft protection sounds helpful, but it often leads to high fees. Consider opting out so transactions that would overdraw your account are simply declined. This can save you from incurring multiple overdraft fees. Interest rates can be tricky, but understanding them is key to making smart financial decisions. 1. Understand teaser rates. If an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be cautious of high interest rates on savings accounts or low rates on loans that are only temporary. Always ask what the rate will revert to after the introductory period. 2. Learn about compound interest. Educate yourself on how compound interest works. Use online calculators to understand how much you'll actually pay on loans or earn on savings over time. This can help you make more informed decisions. 3. Shop around for rates. Don't settle for the first offer you get. Compare interest rates from different banks and credit unions. Sometimes smaller institutions offer better rates and lower fees than larger banks. Complex financial products can be confusing, but breaking them down into simpler terms can help. First up, let's talk credit cards. Before applying for a credit card, research the fees, interest rates, and rewards. Use comparison websites to find the best cards that match your spending habits and financial goals. Remember, rewards are only beneficial if they outweigh the fees and interest. Next, mortgages can be particularly complex. Work with a trusted financial advisor or mortgage broker to understand the terms. Avoid adjustable rate mortgages unless you are fully aware of how and when the rates will change. Lastly, when it comes to investments, look for products with transparent fees and clear terms. Avoid high-fee mutual funds or investment accounts that could erode your returns over time. Opt for low-cost index funds or ETFs if they fit your investment strategy. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about managing your money, the better you can protect yourself from bank tricks. Start by educating yourself. Take the time to learn about personal finance. There are numerous free resources available, from books and online courses to blogs and podcasts. The more you understand, the less likely you are to be misled. Additionally, Many communities and banks offer free financial literacy workshops. These can provide valuable insights into managing your finances, understanding financial products, and planning for the future. Lastly, consulting a trusted financial advisor can help you navigate complex financial decisions. While it might seem like an extra expense, a good advisor can save you money in the long run by helping you avoid costly mistakes. Predatory lending is a serious issue, but you can protect yourself by being cautious and informed. Steer clear of payday loans if at all possible. They come with exorbitant interest rates and fees. Instead, consider alternatives like borrowing from friends or family, seeking assistance from community organizations, or negotiating a payment plan with creditors. When financing a car, shop around for the best interest rates and terms. Be wary of dealership financing, which often comes with hidden fees. Consider getting pre-approved for a loan from a bank or credit union before you visit the dealership. And when it comes to signing a mortgage agreement, make sure you understand all the terms. If something doesn't make sense, ask for an explanation or seek advice from a trusted advisor. Avoid subprime loans if possible, as they come with higher interest rates and less favorable terms. In the digital age, protecting your personal data is crucial to safeguarding your finances. First, be cautious with your information. Don't share personal information unless absolutely necessary, and be especially wary of unsolicited requests for information over the phone or online. Next, use strong passwords. Protect your online banking accounts with strong, unique passwords and consider using a password manager to keep track of them securely. Additionally, wherever possible, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your banking accounts. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your information. Finally, make it a habit to regularly monitor your bank accounts and credit reports for any suspicious activity. Report any unauthorized transactions immediately. Sometimes the best way to protect yourself is to leave a bank that doesn't serve your needs. Here's how to make that process easier. Plan ahead. Before you switch banks, plan your move. Open a new account at a different bank and slowly transfer your funds. Make sure all automatic payments and direct deposits are set up at the new bank before closing your old account. Check for fees. Before closing an account, check if there are any fees for doing so. If there are, try to find ways to avoid them, such as waiting until a specified period has passed. Get everything in writing. When you close an account, get written confirmation from the bank. This can help protect you if there are any disputes later on. Demanding transparency from your bank can help you make more informed decisions and avoid being misled. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions about fees, interest rates, and terms. If something isn't clear, ask for an explanation. A reputable bank will be happy to provide the information you need. Request documentation. Request written documentation for any agreements or terms. This ensures you have a record of what was promised and can hold the bank accountable if there are discrepancies. Review statements regularly. Regularly review your bank statements for any unfamiliar charges or fees. Contact your bank immediately if you notice anything suspicious. Keeping yourself informed about banking practices and consumer rights can help you stay ahead of potential pitfalls. Follow financial news. Stay updated on financial news and trends. This can help you understand broader market changes and how they might affect your finances. Join consumer advocacy groups. Join consumer advocacy groups that work to protect your rights and interests. These groups can provide valuable resources and support if you have issues with your bank. Educate others. Share your knowledge with friends and family. The more people are informed, the harder it will be for banks to use deceptive practices. Navigating the world of banking can be challenging. But with the right knowledge and strategies, you can protect yourself from the tricks and traps that banks often use. By understanding hidden fees, navigating interest rates, handling complex financial products, boosting your financial literacy, avoiding predatory lending, protecting your data, planning your exit strategies, demanding transparency, and staying informed, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, the key to financial security is staying informed and proactive. Don't let banks take advantage of you. Empower yourself with knowledge and make decisions that benefit your financial well-being. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying financially savvy. Stay safe, stay informed, and take charge of your finances. Let us know in the comments, what are your tips for avoiding bank tricks? How do you protect your finances?